How to add BUSD to MetaMask on Binance Smart Chain. So in this video, I'll show you how to add BUSDT to MetaMask on Binance Smart Chain network. After you open the MetaMask app like this, go to settings. After you come to settings, go to network. So from the network, now tap on this add button, add network. Now select BNB network, this one. Tap on this add button beside it and confirm. Go to switch. So now it will switch all your MetaMask into BNB network. So now tap on this import token button. Now tap on this search and search for BUSD. Search for BUSD. So after you search for BUSD, here is it now. Tap on this check. Select it like this and tap on this next button. Import. After you imported BUSD like this, now if you want to receive the BUSD, select it like this. So from this option, tap on this receive button. Now here is the BUSD wallet address. Now if you copy the address like this, now you can go ahead now and send the BUSD to this address. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.